That's not a small move. That's a historic milestone.
Have you ever wondered what happens to the stock market right before the most powerful people in finance disappear into the mountains of Wyoming for 3 days? That's exactly what's happening right now, and it's why Wall Street is watching closely. The S&P 500 just did something it's never done before, closing above 7,800 for the first time in history, after hitting a new all-time intraday high near 7,815. That's not a small move. That's a historic milestone.
So what's driving it? A few things are lining up at once.
Inflation data came in cooler than expected in early August, with both consumer and producer prices undershooting forecasts. July's inflation reading rose just 0.1% for the month, pushing the annual rate down to 3.4%. On top of that, earnings from AI-focused tech companies have been extraordinary, adding real fuel to the rally. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve has held interest rates steady in the 3.50 to 3.75% range, with markets increasingly expecting a possible rate cut later this year. But here's where it gets interesting. All of this is happening right before the Fed's biggest yearly gathering, the Jackson Hole Economic Policy Symposium. This year's symposium runs from August 27th through the 29th in Wyoming, and for the first time in years, it won't be Jerome Powell delivering the keynote. It'll be new Fed Chair Kevin Warsh, giving his first major speech since taking the role. Why does this matter to you? Because Jackson Hole speeches have a long history of moving markets. Traders often reduce their exposure ahead of the Friday keynote and reassess once the remarks are out. With stocks already at record highs, any hint about the Fed's next move could send shockwaves through your 401k, your brokerage account, or your retirement savings. Trading views so as records keep falling, all eyes turn to Wyoming. Will Warsh's first big speech keep this rally alive, or is a correction waiting in the wings? Let us know what you think happens next in the comments.